Welcome back to Eatmas. Today's co-host is Emily Hanhan. Today's ingredient and theme, vanilla. Episode 25, vanilla extract, vanilla ice cream, vanilla bean custard. Hi there, long title, I know. So let's get this started by making our own vanilla extract. So get rid of that guy that tastes like chemicals, and grab yourself at least 12 vanilla beans, I have 20. And a sealable jar. Toss the beans in and then top it off with your vodka of choice. And we are at Tito's house because Teresa says so. Cap it and then wait at least 1 month for it to set up. Now, so far I've used it 3 times and it's worth it. Way better smell and taste compared to the other guys. And we're going to start with a simple basic vanilla recipe. 1/4 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, with a pinch of salt, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of our fresh vanilla extract. So we whisk the milk and sugar and salt till combined. Then add the heavy cream and the vanilla and refrigerate it for 2 hours before ice creaming it. Is that what they call it? That's the simple bare bones vanilla. Now we're going to make a slightly more complicated vanilla bean custard. Start by getting 2 cups of whole milk, 2 cups of cream, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt in a pot on medium-low heat. And let's grab one of those vanilla beans from the jar. Slice it down the middle. Scrape out the inside goodness. Put them both in the pot and bring it just to a boil. While that's working, you need to separate 5 egg yolks. So whatever method works best for you, the eggshell dance or the water bottle grab. I use the water bottle. Add 1/2 cup of sugar and whisk until the color of the eggs lighten. And all the sugar is incorporated and it is thickened up a little bit too. Now we're going to temper by adding 1/3 of the hot mixture slowly to the eggs while mixing to bring the temp of the eggs up without making a milky, creamy scramble. That sounds like a terrible ice cream flavor. Then combine the mixtures and bring them back to medium-low heat. Do not bring to a boil or you will ruin the yolks. And you're good to go when it reaches 170 to 175. And if you swipe on a wooden spoon and it doesn't immediately fill in, then we strain the mixture and we bring it to room temp. And once room temp, we add the vanilla. It'll cook most of it off automatically. Chill for at least 2 hours or overnight, what I did. Next day, it's ice creaming time. That's what they call it, right? Some call Ben or Jerry or Mr. Solid Straw. Let me know if that's official. Assemble your prepped ice cream maker and add the regular vanilla into the machine. Let it run for 15 to 20 minutes and blam! You're ready for some ice cream! It's super simple, it tastes delicious. You know, you can't go wrong with it. And why not assemble into a bowl? Add some fresh whipped cream, also made with our vanilla. And add some chocolate and sprinkles and chow time, delicious. Dessert. Next, the custard. Add it to our prepped ice cream maker. And this one goes for at least 20 minutes, and if you want it to be a little thicker, you can let it go a few more. This one was fantastic. It was so damn good. I'm not really a scoop of ice cream every night kind of boy, but this almost made me want to do that. Even though it's simple, the vanilla bean and the actual vanilla extract, God, it was so good. It just took it to another level. Nothing you get in the store could compare to that. And I have to say, worth the extra effort. And even days later in the freezer, it was still very smooth. And that's today's video. We will see you all real soon. Why not follow? Make sure you go check out today's co-host, Emily.